I have to splice some of this stuff together just because some of it's not quite long enough. This is only 4 feet long, and I need 55 and 5/8 inches. Beveled edges, and that way I can get full penetration. And when you do full penetration and you do good welds, those welds should be, in theory, stronger than the material itself. Using 60-10 for my first pass and 70-18 for the rest. Take this level and make sure everything is as close to the same as I can get it. So see, I got full penetration almost all the way through, except for where that tack was on the right side there. Oh, like a freaking glove.